How do I change my Chrome theme? Users like to change themes for various reasons, such as making their browsers look more stylish and modern, matching the appearance of their operating system and other applications, and sometimes even thinking that it improves productivity. Themes actually change the scheme of elements in Chrome, including the toolbar, tabs and menu, background image, button styles, font styles, and other visual elements. Now let's look at how to change Chrome theme on laptop or desktop. It's better to update your Chrome first if available. For this, open your Chrome browser, click on the three dots at the top right corner. Then click on Help. Then click on About Google Chrome. And if there are any update options here, then apply it. In my case, I do not have, so I will move forward to change the theme. To change the theme, click on the three dots at the top right corner. Click on Settings. Next, click on Appearance. Click on Theme. Then it may redirect you to the Google Chrome Web Store. Then you must find yourself in the Themes menu. Next, click on View All to view all themes. Click on any one of the themes. Wait for some time. Then you can overview the theme here, can read the reviews from the user. If all is okay, click on Add to Chrome. Now this particular theme will be applied to your Chrome browser. If you do not like this theme, then you can follow the same steps to remove the theme. Click on three dots, then click on Settings. Next click on Appearance. Next, click on Theme. Then click on Reset to Default button. Again, if you like to apply another theme, follow the similar steps. Now let's look how to apply theme in mobile. First of all, open Chrome on your mobile phone. Next click on three dots at top right corner. Click on Settings. Next click on Theme. Then you will find three options. Select the desired one. Then it will automatically apply to your browser. This much for today. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.